This is not just a motorcycle. This is art in motion. A custom-built Yamaha State Route 150 Cafe Racer, meticulously crafted by Mike's Garage, oozing with bold hot rod style and vintage soul. At first glance, what catches your eye is the aggressive stance, low, sleek, and built for speed. The matte black frame is striking, but it's the vivid pink flames licking across the tank and tail that truly set this machine apart. It's a fusion of classic cafe racer DNA and rebellious hot rod attitude. The SR150's signature teardrop fuel tank has been completely reworked, giving it a smooth, sculpted silhouette. It flows seamlessly into a custom single-seat cowl, evoking that minimalist racer look from the golden era of motorcycling. The seat itself is upholstered in premium leather, with stitching that complements the bike's vintage charm. Underneath the tank lies a finely tuned 150cc single-cylinder engine, air-cooled, carbureted, and paired with a custom exhaust system that not only boosts performance but also produces a deep, throaty roar that turns heads wherever you go. The exposed engine components, polished and detailed, are a true celebration of mechanical artistry. Up front, classic round headlamps with modern halogen bulbs maintain that retro appeal while ensuring visibility. Clip-on handlebars, bar-end mirrors, and minimalist switches keep the cockpit clean and purposeful, just like it should be on a true cafe racer. The wheels are wrapped in thick vintage tires with custom wire spokes, enhancing the old-school aesthetic. The front and rear disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while the suspension has been lowered and fine-tuned for agile handling. Every bolt, every weld, and every cable on this bike speaks to the passion and craftsmanship behind the build. It's a machine that doesn't just ride, it performs, it growls, and it demands attention. Whether it's parked in a showroom under spotlight or ripping through the streets, the Yamaha State Route 150 Cafe Racer by Mike's Garage isn't just transportation, it's an expression of identity, style, and speed. This is where tradition meets customization. This is a cafe racer reborn.